repetitive sequences, these are also called repetitive elements. They are basically patterns of nucleic acid, can be DNA or RNA, which occur in multiple copies throughout the genome. And the repetitive DNA was first detected because of its rapid reassociation kinetics. What exactly is reassociation kinetics? It is this, wherein the double-stranded DNA, the shearing of double-stranding DNA occur, it denatures, cooling down occurs, then single-stranded DNA is formed, फिर इसका hybridization of complementary strands is carried out. One, we obtain a single-stranded DNA, the other might contain repetitive DNA, which might have two kinds of repetitions, which are highly repetitive or middle repetitive. Repetitive elements found in genome fall into different classes depending on their mode of multiplication or the structure. The disposition of repetitive elements consists of either in arrays of randomly repeated sequences or in repeats dispersed throughout the genomes. Repetitive DNA are of two kinds, highly repetitive and middle repetitive. Highly repetitive DNA consists of satellite DNA, while middle repetitive consists of two types, tandem repeats and interspersed retrotransposons. The tandem repeats are further classified into three types: multiple copy gene, mini satellites, for example VNTRs, microsatellites, STRs. In case of interspersed retrotransposons, they are of two further types: SINE, which is short interspersed nuclear elements, and LINE, which is long interspersed nuclear elements. Now, talking about highly repetitive sequence, the satellite DNA, it consists of very large array of randomly repeating non-coding DNA. The main component, these are the main components of functional centromeres, and they form the main structural constituent of the heterochromatin. The name refers to how repetitions of a short DNA sequence tend to produce a different frequency of the bases ACTG and thus have a different density from the bulk DNA in such a way that they form a second band when genomic DNA is separated on a density gradient. So if we talk about the absorption, the second band, the satellite DNA, form a second band as compared to the main band of the DNA. That is why they are known as the satellite DNA. Next is the middle repetitive sequences. Talking about tandem repeats, they occur in DNA where a pattern of one or more nucleotide is repeated and the repetitions are directly adjacent to each other. So the repetitions in case of tandem repeats are directly adjacent to each other. The protein domains also form tandem repeats within the primary amino acid sequence. However, in proteins, perfect tandem repeats are unlikely in most in vivo proteins, and most known repeats are in those which have been designed, like artificially. So the first kind of tandem repeats are mini satellites. They are also called VNTRs. VNTRs, the full form of VNTR is variable number of tandem repeats. The repeat unit is from 10 to 60 base pairs, and they are found in various places like genome, including the centromeres. The mini satellite is a tract of DNA which contains DNA motifs which are repeated 5 to 50 times, and they may occur at more than 1,000 locations in the genome of humans. Notable for high mutation rate and high diversity in population. The mini satellites are prominent in centromeres, telomeres, and chromosomes. And VNTRs, so we have already discussed. Next type of tandem repeat is microsatellite. Microsatellite is basically STRs, which is basically short tandem repeats. The repeat unit is less than that of microsatellite. It is less than 10 base pairs, and they are present at telomeres, which have 6 to 8 base pair repeat units. The DNA motifs are repeated typically 5 to 50 times. They have a higher mutation rate than other areas of DNA, which leads to high genetic diversity. We also call microsatellites as short tandem repeats or STRs, or as simple sequence repeats SSRs. They are widely used in DNA profiling, in paternity testing, and in forensic identification. They are also used in genetic linkage analysis to locate a gene or a mutation. Microsatellites are also used in population genetics to measure the levels of relatedness between different subspecies, groups, and individuals. The next type of middle repetitive sequence are interspersed retrotransposons. They are also known as interspersed DNA, repetitive DNA. They are found in all eukaryotic genomes. Certain classes of these kind of sequences might propagate themselves by RNA mediated transposition, and due to this reason they are called retrotransposons, and these retrotransposons constitute about 25 to 40% of most mammalian genomes. Some classes of interspersed repetitive DNA elements allow new genes to evolve by uncoupling similar DNA sequences from gene conversion during meiosis. Line, first kind of interspersed retrotransposon is line, which is long interspersed nuclear element. They are a group of non-LTR retrotransposons. LTR is basically long terminal repeats. 20% of human genome is made up of line. Each line is about 7,000 base pair long, and they are transcribed to mRNA and translated into proteins that act as reverse transcriptase. And there are about 1 lakh lines in human genome. Comparison of line DNA sequences can be used to date transposon insertion in the genome. The second kind of interspersed retrotransposon are the SINE, or short interspersed nuclear elements. They are 500 base pair long, and they belong to the ALU family or ALU family, and 13% of the human genome is made up of SINE.